Today I will show you how you can easily restore a photo like this one. As you can see, this photo is very badly damaged. Surprisingly, you can restore it with just a few clicks. To do that, I will use Adobe's partner model Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is also known as Nano Banana, made by Google. Go to firefly.adobe.com and from there click on text to image. Here you will choose the Gemini 2.5 Flash image model. You can add a photo from here. So the prompt I'm using is this: restore this old or damaged photo into a modern high-resolution DSLR style image. Keeps the subject identity, face and pose exactly the same. Remove scratches, noise, blur or artifacts. Add natural skin tones, sharp details, smooth lighting and a clean studio background. Make it look like a professional portrait taken today. Let's click on generate. How beautiful is that? Now I want to do few things using Photoshop to make it even look better. I will use Photoshop's new Generative Upscale to upscale the image. It's a new feature, you can only use it from Photoshop beta. Let's remove those dots that you can see all around the picture. Then I will just do a little bit color grading and that's it. So this is the before. We got a beautiful result with just few minutes. It's amazing. So guys, this is for today. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, comment down below. Like this video, share and subscribe. Peace.